halo semuanya, dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Bahagia di depan saya banyak apel dan buah-buahan di sini. Saya akan bikin sesuatu yang lezat dan segar yang pasti ya, yaitu apple pie. Nah, ini adalah kesukaan mertua saya karena hari ini adalah Father's Day. Jadi saya akan bikin kue kesukaan mertua untuk merayakan Father's Day. Restoran open. Menunya adalah menu-menu kesukaan mereka semua dan request mereka. Keluarinnya pakai ini aja biar gampang. Ini dalamnya seperti ini. Udah dibuang tengahnya. Nanti ini buat daging apple pie-nya. Sudah makan duluan pemirsa karena merekanya telat. Coba udah berapa menit telatnya ya. Ricinya udah nggak tahan sih, sudah. They're late.
Yeah, 4 o'clock, not 10 past 4.
That's right. So
I've started without them because I'm hungry.
I'm finished and not want to the food is getting cold. Yes, not nice.
Really cold.
Oh, di kamar. Mereka datang.
Hello.
Is there any kerupuk?
Yes.
Cool. Spicy, eh?
Okay, restoran open.
Hello, Yuni.
Hello, look at that restaurant already open, almost closed now.
Oh,
What's that?
Fish.
Fish, yes. It's not spicy, that's good. Restaurant open. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
oh yes, Father's Day.
Those are
Spicy.
nice.
Oh, the fish nice, Stella.
And the sauce is nice.
Oh, good.
Oh,
That was there.
with the hand.
Yeah, he tried, Daddy. A fish. Fish,
It's a
yeah.
bit spicy.
No, not spicy. Not spicy at all.
That's spicy.
Yes. That is spicy. Be careful, Bri. It's been long time no restaurant open. Your fan keep asking where is Bri and Di.
Oh, always on holiday.
Always on holiday.
They have more holidays than Santa.
That's right. More holiday than holiday company.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Granddad wearing Egypt International.
And I'm wearing Yunileisure.
Yunileisure. And Daddy?
I've let you down.
I'll let you down too.
Everything alright?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Everything very nice here.
Oh, good.
Tempe.
Oh, I have more sambal.
No.
I like sambal.
Is it my sambal?
No, that is spicy, Dad. That is all. Nobody can eat
It is
sambal.
poison.
It is.
Refill.
Okay.
Semua hening menikmati makanan karena tim hore-hore ini setiap hari makannya makanan Indonesia. Jadi sudah seperti orang Indonesia pemirsa. Tidak ada lagi komen wow seperti orang-orang yang baru mencoba makanan Indonesia. Nah, ini juga karena mertua baru pulang liburan, dia nggak makanan Indonesia. Jadi udah kangen banget. Jadi persis banget seperti orang Indonesia, lidah-lidah mereka ini. Jadi kalau ekspresi yang kayak wow, kayak icip-icip itu sudah nggak lagi ya. Kalau 2 tahun yang lalu ya, karena mereka baru-baru mencoba. Kalau sekarang udah lidah Indonesia banget. Lihat aja, nggak ada yang berkomen satupun, santai aja, udah kayak makan sehari-hari aja. Makan bersama keluarga. Karena ini juga menu-menu kesukaan mereka. Mereka sudah tahu menu-menu ini semua.
Mother's Day, I woke up. You just relaxing.
That'll be the day. Right? Did you hear that, Indal? Don't worry, I'll wash up. In other words, she means she'll put the stuff in the washing machine.
Well, Dallas can wash it, right? You like washing it.
That's how you turn it on. And it's a mist van, so right here it can blow out water like this.
Do you see?
Oh, yes.
Ooh, if you want to freshen up.
Very good. Ooh.
That is Dallas' present for Father's Day.
So where do you put the water in there? Oh, in there.
Here, hold on, let me just turn it up a bit. Put it on full.
Cool, that'll keep you cool, Daddy.
Whoa.
Is that for him to take to work when he's working hard?
What's
Aye.
that?
Oh, what's that?
Yeah.
All right.
What do you want?
No, I don't.
This,
Oh,
you
still
know,
got
got some special dessert, haven't you?
Yes, very special.
Oh,
But you did eat that one first.
If you don't eat, yeah.
That's right.
You don't eat your dinner, you can't have your dessert.
Put your face right there.
Eat your dinner.
Look, look, look. It's on. Okay.
that makes your wrinkles disappear.
Oh, good.
I'll go down and get one.
Look what it's done for you, then.
That's right.
It makes your wrinkles go away.
Okay.
They're going fast. No.
Well, that's called a miracle, that is that.
Yeah, I can say. That's
Not many of them around.
I'm sorry, Richard. You'll be a multi-billionaire.
I know.
We'd have to have a surgery for that.
No, no need to surgery. You're still young. You look young. Anyway, if you not finish the main course,
You don't have no
have
dessert.
food.
no dessert. Anyway, no dessert.
Who's not having dessert then? How many dishes have we got to get out?
It's
Dallas
fish.
obviously eating these.
One
Never
fish
does.
left. Come on, you. Nani granddad, nani
You
granddad.
could have planned.
Well, you don't need to play the
Just
dish.
the fish.
It's only the fish. What's a bit of fish? Nice.
Yes, it's a fish.
I've got this. What did you say, Daddy?
You can't have no
I can't have any what?
dessert.
Why?
Because you have that's all you dinner.
Okay, second.
I have.
That's just a bit.
Okay.
Oh yes, well done. You have your what is that the name there?
Dessert.
Dessert.
He went. Oh, yeah.
Who want the last pieces? Dah, kerupuk. Nani cannot
I
bite.
can't eat that.
Dah lah, that's it.
There you are.
That's it. You have 2 dessert. Who want the last vegetable?
Do you want the last vegetable down?
Granddad. If you not eat, no dessert. That's it. Dipaksa
We
semua.
can't, we can't waste the dessert.
That's right. That is
we can't
vegetable
waste
is a good
the
one.
vegetable.
Yes. Of course, nobody wants sambal. Sambal only for mommy.
Not for hot.
Spicy. Everybody ready for dessert?
Ready for the dessert.
Grendat one waiting for dessert, Dallas.
Ikan, 1 o'clock Eastern, free ratio. I thought you would do well. Takes the podium for
Dessert. Thank you. Okay. So you know what is that?
No, looks like a little pie.
Now,
Apple pie.
Apple.
That is apple.
Huh?
Right.
It's apple pie and an apple crumble.
An apple pie.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Oh, let's see.
Look at this.
Yes. Oh, that is your favorite one.
It tastes like apple strudel.
Uh-huh. Ah.
This is with the skin on though.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Normally you take the skin off if it's apple like crumble or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is different.
Yeah.
I mean,
Maybe
different level of apple crumble. Apple pie.
no.
Oh, sweetheart, do you want this,
We're
sweetheart?
gonna do it
It's
again,
lovely,
obviously.
sweetheart.
I don't eat desserts, you know.
I know, but it's healthy, this one.
To Granddad.
Yeah.
On
Granddad
Father's
Day.
Day.
Is that Granddad's Day? Or Father's Day?
They do a granddad's day.
They do Granddad Day.
Yeah.
Oh, when is that? Granddad Day?
Never heard of one.
Yeah.
They do.
They do.
Is
When
it
is it?
Nanny Day also?
When is
They're
it?
just making it up, Dal.
When is it?
When
Just to
is
make you feel better, because they're going to say they're going to have a children's day.
Hang on. What date is it, Joy? Quick, tell them. You know this is delicious.
It is. I like also.
It's Father's Day and it's Granddad. Looks just like me as well, Dal. Oh, thank you very much, Dal. And you, Richard, and you.
Actually, it does look like you.
This Granddad in the Father's Day. Daddy.
I like the shorts.
That's since I'm going on a diet now. He obviously thinks I'm a big rabbit.
Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go.
Do you know?
No.
Now, sugar-free chocolate limes, sherbet lemons, and
Yeah.
butter candies.
Sugar free, they said. Right?
Looks like inside.
I love those. I love those. And I love those.
Let's have a look. Sort that.
Nah, segitu aja video hari ini. Tim hore-hore kumpul dan makan bersama. Restoran open in Father's Day. Makanan Indonesia. Makan penutupnya apple pie.
Very nice.
I'm still upset about. Have you seen what the Dallas got me for Father's Day?
Apple strudel.
Comments, please. Sorry, get closer. Does that really look like me? Can you see? Do I really look like that?
And that one is.
And the Granddad.
Yes, I do look like that.
And this is what Dallas thinks Grandad looks like. Comments below.
That's
No.
a bit more attractive than I am.
Comments, please, about the cards. And also, what's the other one? The bell?
Oh, bell, yeah.
How are they going to know what your channel is?
Don't forget.
Subscribe to my channel.
And what's it
What-
called,
what's
your
your
channel?
Dallas web channel.
That's it. And what's it about?
All sorts of stuff.
Okay.
Jadi segitu aja video hari ini. Yang sudah kangen tim hore-hore, This is Team Hore Hore.
Yeah. Bye, thanks for
Bye.
watching.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Please comment on the cards. Comment.
This Richie.
No.
This Granddad.
No, hold on. Hold on. Really? Hold on this way. Really? Does that look like me? Really?
Come on, they don't know the difference.
Have you seen my pants? Unbelievable. Who wears pants like that? Unbelievable. Bye.
There's all for him.